Boom. Hey, it's Rick Silva. Let's party. Let's have some fun. We're going to talk about elevator pitch, why your elevator pitch sucks, 9 ways to improve your elevator pitch. Have you ever said things like, I hate my elevator pitch? Man, my elevator pitch sucks. I'm not getting enough referrals. Why doesn't my elevator pitch work? What should you say in an elevator pitch? How do you give the perfect elevator pitch? How can I perfect my elevator pitch? We're going to cover that and a whole lot more coming up. Again, everybody, it's Rick Silva. Welcome and thanks for watching. This is video number 3 in something between a 12 and 16 part series on elevator pitch. This one's titled Why Your Elevator Pitch Sucks. This is the foundation to your referral-based practice. Everything is based on 2 things. Number 1, your business avatar, which I believe is the next video. Let's just take a look. Yep, video number 4. The next video is going to talk about your business avatar. This one is how to improve your elevator pitch. So everybody, my name again is Rick Silva. I'm a referral coach. I work with real estate agents, mortgage lenders, financial planners, insurance agents, network marketers, chiropractors, and dentists. Pretty much, if you need referrals, I can help you. Those are the 6 or 7 main industries. But if you need referrals, I can help you. I can show you how to build a referral-based practice. If you've ever said, I need more referrals, I hate chasing leads around, I hate cold calling, I hate being stood up for appointments, then I can help you. Feel free to contact me. Contact information down below. Real quick about me. In 2008, I got divorced, lost everything. My house was $300,000 in the negative. Moved into my office, slept on that futon. I was homeless for 6 months. Then I met my wife. That's our 3rd time to Tahiti. I went from homeless living in my office to multimillionaire in 9 years. And the 2 main things that fixed that, having the proper business avatar, which again, we'll cover in the next video, and having the proper elevator pitch. I've had a chance to teach maybe 25,000 people, 20,000 how to give an elevator pitch. We've done probably close to 800 real estate deals in the last 10 years. Never cold called, never door knocked, never bought a lead. I do not lead generate. I don't work with leads. If you have a good elevator pitch, you teach other people how to send you referrals, and then you don't need to do all that stuff. So again, the avatar and the elevator pitch is the foundation. If you want a beautiful home, you got to have a strong foundation. If you're winging it and you're saying the wrong things and doing the wrong things and having the wrong mentality, then you have a cracked foundation. And then you wonder why you're not making as much as other people who you think you're smarter than, who you work harder than. There's people out there who work 1/5 as much as you do and make 10 times more than you. It's probably because they have different systems in place. The foundation for all of your networking and all of your marketing is elevator pitch. We don't want to have a cracked foundation. We want to have a strong foundation. The elevator pitch is the seed that you plant. Now, hear me closely, is a seed that you plant in people's minds. So over time, that seed starts to grow and it starts to grow. And then it starts to give you referrals. If you properly teach other people how to send you business, the only way you can do that is through a proper elevator pitch. So in the previous video, we talked about your elevator pitch and what not to say. So number 1, your elevator pitch is your first impression, and things not to say would be, try not to say too many ums. So my wife was in a networking group and I was standing next to her, and this real estate coach was giving her elevator pitch, and she's catering, $1,000 a month coaching program to real estate agents for mindset. And this was her elevator pitch. Hey everybody, my name is blah, blah, blah. I'm a real estate coach, and I help, real estate agents get really clear and, with what they want. And I was like, huh? You help real estate agents get clear. You can't even get a sentence out. So you got to be clear. The elevator pitch, when memorized, is what's going to help you look more professional. It's your first impression. Always remember that. In this video, 9 tips to improve your elevator pitch and get more referrals. So tip or point number 1, I'm starting with the most important one first. You're accidentally selling to everyone you meet. Now, you know people in network marketing, they've been taught the 6-foot puke factor, and that is to sell your stuff to anyone who's within 6 feet of you. Sell to them until they buy or die. You're not going to build a referral-based practice that way. The use of the word you and your is offensive, and people don't like it. So if you've been to networking events and somebody comes up to you and goes, hey, here's what I can do for you. Hey, do you have life insurance? Hey, do you want to try this? Hey, are you looking to earn money on the side? It offends people. They're not going to want to be around you at the next event. So try not to use the words you and your. The number one complaint, I talk to thousands of people who go to networking events. The number one complaint, number one, is people are always trying to sell me their stuff. So don't be that person. An elevator pitch is to teach people how to send you referrals, not to sell to them. So people naturally want to help you. Nobody wants to be sold to, especially at a networking event. It's not called the sell your crap to everyone event. It's called a networking event. A lot of people got to learn that difference. Whether in a group networking event, Chamber of Commerce, you're in a BNI, you're in one of my B2B gathering groups, you're not there to sell to each other. You're to educate people and teach them how to send you referrals. The way you do that is through a proper elevator pitch. I want to show you what can be offensive. And I'm also trying to teach you to not have the words you and your in your elevator pitch. And I'm going to explain as much as I can. It's offensive. People don't like it. So when COVID hit in March of 2020, I had a bunch of people try to pitch me. So these are some Facebook messages sent to me. Hey, Rick, I came across your profile and see you are in real estate and a business coach. The reason why I didn't circle this you is because that's just part of a conversational sentence until we get to the pitch. With all this going on, we've had a lot of people, we've had a lot of great success helping people pivot financially. Are you keeping your options open to making money in other industries? Now, I'd like to think I'm one of the top 2 or 3 world's leading authorities on business networking, and I'm certainly not going to work with somebody to help me make money who spells you the letter U. That right there alone, the answer is no. But you and your, I'm waiting for the sales pitch. And again, that stuff's offensive. Now, a lady did a poll on Facebook asking, how many cups of coffee do you drink per day? I answered it, 4 cups. This was her Facebook Messenger to me. And you've all probably seen this and it drives you nuts. But here's the thing. In your elevator pitch, if you're using the words you and your, you're this same person. You just are accidentally doing it. You don't know it. 4 cups of coffee, Rick. Oh my God, you need this in your life. Hi, thanks for your vote on my poll. The Skinny Brew Black Coffee supports weight loss, burning fat, boosts brain function, blah, 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 for increased energy. We're going to pause there. Now, I had 5 years ago type 2 diabetes, and I lost 40 pounds and completely cured it, never went on medication for it. But there are some people who are very sensitive about, excuse me, about being overweight. So when you talk about weight loss, you got to be careful how you do that, number one. If you're intermittent fasting or living a keto lifestyle, it's perfect because it has just 2 carbs, blah, blah, blah. It goes on to say, increased energy, intermittent fasting, won't cause blood sugar surge, blah, blah, blah. For $20, you get 3-day sample pack, just like here in the pick. Would you like to go ahead and snag the sample pack? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Your. I even missed one up here. There's 7 yous in yours. You want to throw up from that. And throughout this course, I'm going to be showing you how to not do this. And also down below, there's a link so you can download the PDF template. And there's a link to a video where word for word, I teach you exactly what to say in your elevator pitch. You just got to fill in the blanks. So go down below if you want to download that PDF. Here's another one. Rick, I was looking at your profile. I see you're in real estate. I am an entrepreneur, and my company, we love working with smart professional people. The only good thing about this pitch is he did what I call put on a pedestal. Anytime you contact somebody cold, put them on a pedestal. So he's calling me smart and professional. It's the only good thing about this. Quick question. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Here it comes. Do you keep your options open in terms of making money outside what you're currently doing as a real estate professional? So if you're watching this and you're in real estate or mortgage, by hourly rate based on income and effort, real estate's the most highly paid industry on the planet, bar none. I can't think of anything other than, CEOs of big giant companies. Short of that, self-employed people, real estate's the highest paid industry in the world. And last year was my best year. So do you keep your options open in terms of making money outside what you're currently doing as a real estate professional? The amazing thing is that he's contacting the most highly paid, successful industry in the world. Now, not all the real estate agents are, but I'm in the top 0.0001% of income earners in real estate. you got to watch who you're approaching because it's offensive. So the words you and your, he doesn't probably mean to offend, but he does. Now, the same week that he sent me that, this was one of many. We did 67 deals in real estate in my wife's land investing business last year. This is one commission check within a week or two of when he contacted me. So honestly, no, I'm not looking to make money outside of what I'm currently doing. He should be asking me, just so you know what he should be doing. This email should be saying, I know you're successful, whether I am or not. I know you're successful. Would you happen to know other real estate agents who might be struggling? He should be asking me for names and numbers. Now, it goes deeper than that, and the script I just gave you is horrible. And as we move on with the trainings, you'll even see a better one. But what's 1,000 times better, he should be asking me for other real estate agents who are struggling. So it's offensive when you directly pitch people at a networking event in a networking group. The use of you and your, people do not want to be around you. Do not use the words you and your. You have got to know when to be a salesperson and when to be a networker. You're a networker when you're at a networking event. If somebody says, hey, John, I want to learn more about what you do, then you use all the you and yours you want. You and your them to death. But when you're at a networking event, you never use the words you and your. We'll go into more detail throughout the 10 or 12 or 14 videos on how to do that. Point number 2, you're using the sales pitch. You're using the elevator pitch as a sales pitch instead of an education pitch. You should be teaching people what you do, teaching them how to send you referrals. If they want to do business with you, they'll bring it up. You don't need to pitch every person you meet. Just teach them what you do. If they want to do business with you, they will. But you want to teach them so you can get referrals. Always remember, everybody wants to help. There's very few people who don't want to help others. So people don't care about you or what you do. They don't want to be sold to, but they would like to help you. No one wants to be sold to. Everybody wants to help. So remember, teach people how to send you referrals. Don't sell to them. If they want to do business with you, trust me, they'll let you know. Hey, if you're getting value out of this, smash the like button, subscribe, even hit the bell notifications. We got about 12 or 13 more of these, plus hundreds of other networking videos on elevator pitch. Somebody just posted, I don't even have one yet. This is so helpful. I get it. Thank you, Rick. Hey, go to One Referral Away. I'll give you all the details at the end. Go to One Referral Away. There's a link there. You click it, and there's a video showing you how to craft your elevator pitch. And I'll give you more details on that if you just stick out to the end of the video. Point number 3, tip number 3, why your elevator pitch sucks is because you don't let other people speak first. You have got to let them speak first, because then what you do is you model your elevator pitch based on what they do, which kind of goes into point number 4. Point number 3, let them speak first. So point number 4, you can model your elevator pitch based on what they do. So you need to have like 50 elevator pitches. Okay. So when you're meeting someone, if they're a piano instructor, I'm going to gear my elevator pitch using examples that will get them to resonate me without directly pitching to them. Again, as we go through the videos, I'll teach you all that stuff. So you got to have a whole bunch. So point number 4 is you only have one elevator pitch. You need to have a whole bunch of elevator pitches. And in my template, it explains all that. Point number 5, while delivering the elevator pitch, you should know your target audience. Depending on the audience, you should customize your speech and outline it in a manner that mirrors what they might be looking for. So again, we got to find out what they do. We got to let them talk first. And then this point is basically saying you need to have a customized business avatar, which is the next video, video number 4, customized business avatar. So then you know how to, you take an avatar of who your perfect client is, and then you develop the elevator pitch based on who the perfect client is. So you got to have the avatar first, elevator pitch second. Point number 6, you're not teaching people how to send you referrals. That's your job as a professional networker. I've got a 12-part course at onereferralaway.com. All the information's there. Teaching people how to send you referrals. It takes me, 5, 6, 7 hours to teach that to you. There's mental strategies, there's scripting. It's all in the course. It's at One Referral Away. You're not using word-for-word quotes. You have got to fire the reticular activating system. That's going to be in video number 11. We're going to go deep on reticular activating system. But again, that is also at one referral away. If you want to get a head start, it's there. Click the elevator pitch button. I'll be showing you that very soon. But your elevator speech has to have word for word quotes, and it has got to fire the reticular activating system. Also, no one cares about you, so don't talk too much about yourself. No one wants to listen to unnecessary details about you. So let me explain. If you've been in business 30 years and someone else has been in business for 2 years, and you both set an appointment with a potential client, you have 30 years, this person has 2 years. You show up 20 minutes late, this person shows up 10 minutes early. They are going to hire this person no matter how many years you have in business. So, hey, everybody, I've been in business for 30 years. I've done this, I've done that, I've done this, I've done that. Nobody cares. That's why in the beginning of my videos, you should know who your educator is. I've made millions and millions of dollars with this stuff, but get off the topic as soon as possible. So your elevator pitch should be like 1 or 2 sentences about you, and everything else should be about benefits and word-for-word quotes. So no one cares how long you've been in business, really. So don't talk too much about yourself. Point number 9, it's too short or it's too long. So just hear me out here. I'm going to give you some numbers. I want you to understand the numbers. The average person, well, okay. So first, the average person can listen at between 700 and 900 words a minute, just so you know. You're never speaking too fast because people can listen at 700 to 900 words a minute. The average person speaks 160 to 180 words a minute. When I'm on fire and when I'm really booking like I am right now, I'm going about $1.90 because I've timed it. But the average person speaks 160 to 180 words a minute. Okay? Now, do the math. If you're in a networking group that is 30-second elevator pitches, 80 to 90, 95 words is all you have. If you go 130, it's too long and people are going to be... If it's 30 seconds and you do 40 words, you're 40 words too short. Now, if you have a minute and you do 90 words, you cost yourself 70 words. If you have a minute and it's 230 words, trust me, when they get to about the 170th word, they're not listening. So 30 seconds, you have 80 to 90 words, 1 minute, 160 to 180 words. That's the math on it being too short or too long. Now, the ways I can help you is I provide one-on-one coaching. I've got a 12-part networking course. I help people all the time with their referral scripts, all their approach emails to their power partners, teach you how to get power partners and clients to chase you. It's all at one referral away. I want to show you what you can click on if you'd like. So these are the different courses that I have at one referral away. We're specifically today talking about elevator speech and elevator speech training. Let me explain the difference. On the left, if you go to one referral away and you click this button, you enter your email address and you can watch a video, me teaching you how to give your elevator pitch. Boom, done, free, end of conversation. If you do this one for $99, same video, but you type your elevator pitch, you send it to me on video just like this. I'm going to critique it sentence by sentence. I'm going to retype it for you. Then I'm going to read it to you. And then I'm going to put it on my YouTube channel so you get promotion, plus you get me personally critiquing your elevator pitch. That's only 99 bucks. The button's right there at one referral away. Click that button, and I'll be more than happy to help you. Also, down below, click the link to download the elevator speech template. It's all down below. In the next video, persona marketing and your business avatar, we're going to talk about I'm going to teach you about what persona marketing is, and I'm going to give you examples. I'm going to read to you 2 of my business avatars. I'm going to give you ideas on what should be in your avatar. Once again, everybody, it's Rick Silva. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it. Comment down below. Anything you need to know, let me know. Thanks for getting on. See you soon. Bye-bye.